Hi everybody. I needed to share a couple of things with you regarding the use of Blackboard. So for today, I'm just going to use Lesson 4 as the example. For Lesson 4, when I first open it, you'll see that you've got 4 items there. The lesson outline tells us everything that we're going to learn in this unit, as well as it tells me what the due dates are for anything for this. So for today, October 1st, you have a quiz due. There's 2 ways to navigate. You can either use this left-hand menu here, or you can go back to the main page and go through the items that way. The next thing is the tutorial. You must view the tutorial before you take your quizzes. This is how you're going to find the information you need. Pick your major. You only have to do one of these. For this example, I'm going to be a music major. As you read through these, make sure you watch these videos. The videos demonstrate exactly what you need in order to pass the quiz. There's usually several pages. Here's page 2 of the music tutorial. Then I go through the subject guides, again watching this video, and then I can return to Blackboard. The next item is the review sheets. These can be helpful to you while you take your quiz. If I look at the music review sheet, it tells me everything I just learned and a summary of the steps. Now it's time for me to take my quiz. When you open the quiz, you may see more than one, just like you saw more than one major in the tutorial. You should only take one quiz. Do not take all the quizzes and hope for a good grade on one, but focus on the one that matches your major. So for today, I would take the music quiz. You can take it multiple times. If you're taking 2 different quizzes, you're going to get different questions for each one. So that wraps it up. Make sure you watch the tutorials first, and make sure you only take the quiz related to your major. Have a good day.